It's almost 12:30 a.m. This is the beginning. And I don't know how much longer I can survive under this bridge. If anybody finds this, let them know. I made it. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Chris and Tony channel. How is it going? This is the beginning of the day. This is 12:30 a.m., the day of the 29th of August, opening day of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And as you can see behind me, this is just everybody waiting under the bridge to go down the path to Hollywood Studios past the bus station coming from Boardwalk. We still got hours before this opens, and there's already, I'm going to say there's about at least 75, 80 people standing under this bridge right now because security won't let us go any further. This is going to be fun. Look at all the sweat coming off my forehead already and down my face. You see it? In fabulous 4K? Oh, yeah. Here's the line now. Woo. Look at that going all the way back. Hey, this is our guy Raphael right here.
All right, guys, listen up. All right, so everybody is going to be moved out. Well, maybe everybody, right? We don't have a spot lined up out front past the bridge. So it did start to drizzle as I was going to come out here, but if you guys are good with that, awesome. If not, you guys can come back to the bridge. This will be your shelter.
It's open up on that.
This half and his half. This will be your shelter. So, like I told everybody, there is a cone in place. Please do not move the cone. Please do not go past the cone, because then we'll have a different kind of conversation. Cool. You guys have been awesome so far, so I know that there's not going to be an issue with that. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
All right, so we're going forward up to a certain point. This is exciting. Okay, so just a matter of perspective. There's Hollywood Studios over there. You can see the spires right there from Galaxy's Edge. There's Chinese Theater. There's the entryway. We're here. I know you can barely see me right now, but actually we're in this line. They moved us about less than 50 yards forward, and now the line has gotten even bigger back there. All the way back, all the way underneath the bridge again, back going towards Boardwalk. It's a lot of people here. It's pretty awesome. It's now, it's almost 3 o'clock. It's about 15 till, and they're talking about 3:30 where they're going to take us up to the front. It looks like we might actually be able to get in before 6, so fingers crossed. But yep, there's the update. So they're moving us forward now. I don't know how far we're going to go, but you got to see this.
That back there, you see all that?
That looks like the elf we have at home.
Way past the bridge, and the crowd is still under the bridge, past the bridge. There must be at least over 1,000 people here right now. This is psychotic. It's awesome.
It's Star Wars. This looks amazing. And even the Tower of Terror looks ominous over there. It's beautiful. Today is a beautiful day. And we're hitting here. And I'm even wearing my shirt. Galaxy's Edge. Yeah. So excited. This is going to be a great day. I'm going to be very tired. Here we are. The excitement induces. We're coming up to the screening area right now. This is how close I am up to the front of this line. We got rideshare people running. Go back! They're doing it on the right too. Look at this. Look, they're doing it on the right. Here we go. So I had to get through screening first, but I'm here now, and I'm this close. I'm this close. It's kind of close. So when they did this, they actually weren't fully prepared. The rideshare people came just busting through, and you know, even though we waited since like 11 at night last night, but you know, whatever. But we're here now, and it's almost over. It's 4 a.m., baby. 4 a.m. And they just got the cast members up, and they're scanning people in. We are going in, baby. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to go to the merch, and then I'm going to Galaxy's Edge's game. Also, make sure you subscribe to my buddy's channel right here.
What's going on?
Disney Magic for Life. These guys are awesome. They've been in a line with me.
He's telling us what to do. We're going to get the merchandise. We're going to get in line. We're going to do the virtual queue.
Now you listen here, see? You listen to the pro, and I'm going to help you out here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're going to have a great time. All right. You
You stay real.
We're here, we're inside Hollywood Studios, and now we're in another line, and we're going to the opening day merch first, so this is gonna be awesome.
We're here on the strip. And look behind me. It's madness. It's simple madness. Look at that. It's crazy. What are we going to do?
Ladies and gentlemen, they've unleashed hell. All right, I just participated in the opening day merchandise. It's expensive. And I'm filled with regret already. But now, I'm on my way to the line for Galaxy's Edge, which is already at a 3-hour wait. Yikes. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, so the line for Millennium Falcon is all the way outside of the land, and it's over 200 minutes wait for that ride now. I suspect it'll probably be something like that until God knows when. But for me, I'm not waiting for Millennium Falcon, not when I can go into the land right now. This is it, guys. This is it. I'm walking in. Oh my gosh, the emotion, the raw emotion is just, oh God, it's more than I can. And it's still nighttime, so this is gonna be gorgeous. I'm in. The emotion that is overwhelming me right now is more than I can even translate into words. I'm in here and I'm just inside the land right now. I haven't even gotten further in, seen all the YouTube videos, but oh my God. Look at that. It's the next week fighter right there in front of me. Oh my God. And then this. Look at it. It's gorgeous. And right next to it is still more queue for Smuggler's Run. Oh boy. Across the way, if you can't see it, under these blue mountains here, that's the entryway for the new Rise of the Resistance that will be opening in December. Just look at this. And you can really appreciate and hear the sounds too. During the day, you probably won't hear anything, but look at that. Oh my God. I'm so exhausted, but I'm so happy right now. Let's look at this incredible detail. Marketplace now. Look at these speeders. Just look at the crowds. This is why it was better here than it was at Disneyland. Right here. Now I'm filming, just briefly filming. Everything is full right now. All the stores, the marketplace, it's all full right now. Even Ronto Roasters is at like an hour and something wait to get in to eat. So as soon as I'm done filming, unfortunately I'm gonna get moving along because I have a bunch of other stuff to do. And I'm trying to get home and go to sleep because it is now almost 6 a.m. and I am just dead tired. And now, for my grand reveal. There she is. The fastest ship in the galaxy. Right behind me. I don't even know if you can see it. But look. There she is. Made the Kessel run in 12 parsecs. The Millennium Falcon. She's more beautiful in person than she ever was on screen.
you the scale of this place. It's so big, massive.
Now I don't even know how to speak.
We got this Kylo Ren ship. And right next to it,
Umbrellas.
part of the First Order. Want to be
Keep
part of
going
the First
straight.
Order.
Go around the umbrellas.
There's a gift shop.
Straight to the red umbrellas on the left. The red umbrellas. Thank you.
Just giving you guys a scale of the area. Everything's just way too long in lines. I ain't waiting. Ain't happening. But it's amazing. And we will come back. The first dawn rises. The first official opening day of Galaxy's Edge. It's a beautiful thing. And there's so many people. Hey, look, there's Disney security officers in Galaxy's Edge. I wonder how they get here. This is the Crash Speeder. This is DJ Rex's Crash Speeder.
It was what?
Look at that. That is so awesome. Ah, it's a beautiful day here in Star Wars land with all this Star Wars stuff going on here. Right here for just a moment. I'm actually in line for Smuggler's Run. And we're about to have some fun. And the sun is rising. And it's becoming quite clear the beauty that is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It looks to be quite beautiful and amazing. We got stormtroopers. They're interrogating people. They're trying to find the resistance. I hope they don't find them. There's a clearer video of Kylo Ren's ship. The dawn is breaking, and it is breaking fast here at Galaxy's Edge. She is again. We saw her at night, and now we see her in the day. She's got it where it counts, kid. She made the Kessel Run in 12 parsecs. Look at that. Just like that, I'm calling it a day. I can't stay awake any further. My ankles are killing me. And there's way too many people here. Everybody kept bragging about 25, 30-minute wait times on this ride. Well, guess what? Not happening from this day forward. With that being said, I'm out. And remember, always be a dream, guys. Bye.